first international alumni meet we have conducted. We have started this first alumni meet ever in the history of Umesh Arora English Guru Academy. And obviously the legacy has been continued from Lakshmi Commercial College, and before that in the past time it has been over there by the name Lakshmi Commercial College. My father started it over there in the year 1976. 1976 onwards, this journey has been going on over there in continuously running with some ethical values, learning with some discipline, running with the ethical values as well as the ethics and discipline and some principles which are definitely unbeatable principle. And we have been doing it. Our students are reaching to the various areas. They are not only becoming famous all over the India only, they are becoming famous all over the world. They are not just only earning their bread and butter, they are helping others also to earn their bread and butter. And they are not only running for themselves, they are not only working for themselves, they are working for others also. The same ethical values we are providing to our students also. This journey has reached to thousands of students. Now we are delivering the lecture and we are reaching to lakhs of students. And our each and every student is just like a light pillar for other students also. And many students have joined from different areas, and every student has shared their feeling over there. Thank you to all of you for being with us. And with it, officially, I declare for the closing of this International Alumni Ceremony. Thank you to all of you. Very many thanks to be connected with us out of your.
Thank you so much, sir.